Hello everyone, welcome to 16-bit Tech. My name is Luis. It has been a long time from my last video, but today I bring to you three options to use the cloud. It is also inside the database. Okay, so the basic idea is use the cloud and the database together in order to take advantage of this kind of the database. I bring to you three flavors in this case: the MongoDB, CockroachDB, and Astra. In fact, it's Cassandra. Okay, and then for our lucky, all the database has a free tier and can use or take advantage for our tests or maybe to make a proof of concept. And that's so good, that's so amazing, because sometimes you don't need to download the database in your local machine or including image if you want, and then configure some kind of storage and so on. For this, let's jump to the screen and see how you can create an account, or even using your GitHub account or another kind of account, logging in. Okay, so let's jump. The first one I want to show to you is let's put this bigger, just a second, yes, and increase the font. Okay, so the MongoDB, we have here the MongoDB. I put the link including in the video description, right? So the MongoDB is a NoSQL database, and you take advantage of JSON format for save the documents. Okay, you don't have any kind of structure to save the content, then you can work with JSON. The kind of, let's say, use the primary key, foreign key, table, and so on. In this case, we don't have another approach for MongoDB, right? But nevertheless, you can use the Spring data to convert the document inside the Java class. It's totally fine. So for that's the good one. Get started free. You don't need to credit card. Let's say you don't need to add something like that, or including nothing. Okay, just sign up with the Google account. This is for MongoDB. After I will show the MongoDB. Let's show right now. No, just a second. Let's put this screen here. Let's just change this one. And right here I have my MongoDB instance inside the cloud. Okay, so right now I create the workspace for me. This is 16 bits. It has been a long time, maybe since last year I'm working on this kind of database. So I'm using the 44.9 the version and the replica set. It's good because guarantee to me availability. I don't need availability every time, but it's good to have. Okay, so you can connect, monitoring. Right now I'm using some requests and nothing, but you can, let's say, if you want to move, let's say from 20 and September, we can we have some difference. Okay, so that's amazing for you control your flow, how the things are going, right? So now let's jump to another one, is the CockroachDB. I'm using, I like so much because the syntax is so near or equal to PostgreSQL, so you can take advantage of a lot of features of CockroachDB. It's fast. The way that it's being provided is a different from another kind of the database, and I really like it. So the process to sign in is very straightforward. As we see before, we have the link here, and then we can start free, totally free, it's fact, and then provide your sign up using the GitHub. If you have a GitHub account, it's totally fine, or you want to create a new one and sign in using the CockroachDB. Okay, so and then let's jump to CockroachDB. Here is another screen. We will have it here. It's not loading right now my storage, but no problem. I can connect to using the beaver. Let's see here, the beaver is here. I'm connected. This is my, let's say, my sandbox. I'm connected, and it's connected, it's fine, and can I execute some queries and so on. If you want to, this CockroachDB provides for you a lot of documentation, a lot of ways to use, create table, index and so on. It's totally amazing the way the components and the documentation was made. I like it so much. And then jump to another one. The last one I will provide today is the Cassandra, because Cassandra provide the capturing, because the way it's built. In this case, we only have one instance, don't have replicas, right, on using the free tier, but it's totally good to use Cassandra. The main advantage I can see using the Cassandra provide to you the terms of use the SQL is normal, okay, it's fine. The ring is the Cassandra is made, it's fine too. But besides of that, you can use GraphQL to execute the queries. Or if you want to insert data and so on, you can use the GraphQL. The documentation is fine, is good, is so on, and they have I don't know the frequency they made, but always they have, and they give learning about Cassandra using, let's say, example for TikTok, or provide some another feature to show how Cassandra works. In my case here, let's jump to another screen on this one. I have my my tier here. They give you $25 euros. I don't know why, but 25, it's so, for me it's so good, because most of the time I can use maybe $1 money for a month. So as I said, for you have the Pet Clinic, TikTok and so on, has a lot of features you can explore and use. Okay, let's see here the Netflix. If you want to connect, see the health of the application and so on, is well, it's in your database, yes, because it has been a long time and I've been connected to this database. But if you want to use the, as I said before, the GraphQL, you can use here the GraphQL and so on. It's totally fine. It's totally good to you provide some insights and play using Cassandra. Okay, we have three options. As you wish, we can pick one, two, or three, or all together using the microservices to connect. The first microservice connects to Mongo, another microservice can CockroachDB, another can connect to Cassandra, and another one if you want to use the H2 in-memory database to connect to our application, and mixing the connections and made your microservices connect only with the database. Okay, that's the idea for today. I hope you take advantage of this free tier, and the more important for that is know the difference between them, and you can provide some sites or play and so on. And if you have any question, please let me know. I try to answer. If I know, if I don't know, I try to find some answer for you. Okay, have a great weekend. The summer is over now, it's autumn is coming, but it's happened. This is the life. Okay, bye bye, see you, ciao ciao.